Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function, that is percentage days. So let's go through the program. So here, firstly, I am declaring the control option for debugging purpose, and after that, I have declared few variables. So I have declared one variable named as current date, which is of type date, and another variable I am using is here is a result, which is also of date type. Okay, so we will use this percentage days built-in function to perform some operation on date. Okay, that's why we have declared two variable of date type. Now on line number 17, I'm using percentage date built-in function that we have already covered. And what this function will do here, it will return the current date. So uh, whatever the current date is, it will be stored into this current date variable. Okay, and below to that I'm just displaying one string as output, and after that we are displaying the current date. So whatever the date is, current date, it will be printed on the screen, output screen. Fine. Now after that we are using this percentage built-in function, percentage days built-in function. So the syntax is like this. What we are doing here, we are just use normally you have to just write percentage days and that numeric value. So what this percentage days built-in function do, it will convert the numeric value into duration as number of days. Okay, so suppose we have one date in which we are adding that this we are using this days built-in function to convert some numeric value as a duration or as a number of days. Okay, so let's see how we are using it. So here we are, what we are doing, we are just adding the, we are converting this number 5 as a number of days using this days built-in function. So whatever the date here we will retrieve, it will add plus 5 days in that. Okay, so we will get the date after the 5 days from the current date. Okay, and we are just displaying it. Similarly, you can subtract the duration also from the date. Here I'm using percentage days built-in function to convert one as a number of days one, and then then we are subtracting it from the current date. So whatever the output will be there, it will be printed on uh, as a result variable. And below to that I'm just setting star inlr equals to star on to terminate the program. So let's compile and call this program. So firstly I'm displaying this string which is output, and below to that I'm displaying the current date. So this is the current date. So what percentage days will do, it will add in our next logic line. What we are doing, we are converting 5 as a number of days and then we are adding it to the current date. So it will add it here because this is days, this is year, this is month, and this is date. Okay, so if I hit enter again, so the new date is this. So what it do, it added the 5 days to this 16, so that's why we got this 21. And if I hit enter again, so next in next logic line, what we are doing, we are subtracting 1 from this date, from the current date, not from here but from the current date. So it will return the 15. So let's see. So yes, we are getting it as a 15. So that's how we can use this percentage days built-in function. It is mainly used to convert the any numeric value into duration as a number of days, and then that value we can add, we can use to add or subtract the number of days from a date. Okay, so if there is any numeric value and you are converting it using the date built-in function, along with that you can also use this percentage days to perform some operation on the date. Okay, so mainly today we discuss how we can use percentage days built-in function to convert any numeric value into days, number of days. Okay. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Myth.